If you shoot photos or videos and you've ever accidentally deleted those files or formatted the drive or SD card that they've been on, this one's for you. I will test PhotoRec, a free recovery tool, to see how well it can recover the photos and videos. You'll see how it works, what it recovers, and maybe where it falls short so you can figure out if it's viable for your use case. PhotoRec is a free open source data recovery software that should only be downloaded from its official website. There, you can also go ahead and check the code if you're interested. This is what their website looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and download the stable latest version, and we'll get that installed. So we have our zip file, and I have unzipped it into its own folder. We're gonna go ahead and open that. I've created a folder in here called Recovered, and this is where we're gonna go ahead and recover our files to. So now I'm just gonna scroll down, and I'm gonna launch PhotoRec Win here. Once it launches, we're going to go ahead and see the drives that are in our computer. I'm going to be using this virtual disk here as the one to recover from. I'm going to go ahead and select that, and then we're going to select this one as well using the Enter key. Now I'm going to go ahead and use Other for the file system type where the files are stored. We're going to go ahead and do that. So because this drive is relatively small, it's only 2 gigs, I can go ahead and do the whole partition, and it shouldn't really take very much time at all. So we're going to go ahead and press Enter. And then we're going to choose our location. So I'm scrolling down to Recovered here. I'm going to go ahead and press Enter on that. And then we're going to press C to confirm that this is the correct location. And it's going to go ahead and start recovering. Now, throughout the process, it'll very quickly tell you what kind of files it's recovering. It was very quick, but if you have a lot of files or the files are large, it will take much longer. And we recovered 397 files. So let's go ahead and take a look. So if I navigate to that folder, and we go into the recovery folder, we can see that we have quite a few images and documents here. However, their original file names were lost and got renamed randomly. A lot of these are repeats of one another. And then I have these 2 images on the bottom. This is supposed to be a full-size image, but it's only recovering as a thumbnail. And this is a panorama, and it's also not recovering at the full size. So while PhotoRec is free and works great for simple file recovery, it's not always reliable in more complicated cases like this. This may be due to fragmentation that happens on drives, depending on the file type, depending on what is writing the files, where basically little bits and pieces of the files are stored somewhat separately from one another, and they are combined together to provide you that data. And when they get deleted and when they get recovered, sometimes some of those pieces aren't brought back together properly. So that's how the fragmentation works. And that's where PhotoRec seems to struggle sometimes when doing recovery. In these cases, I'd suggest EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard instead. This tool has been specially enhanced for SD cards and USB drives, especially when dealing with old, heavily used ones, which means it can easily handle the fragmentation issues I mentioned earlier. As you can see here, we can see many more file types. And before recovering them, we can double-click them to review the file. And you can see it's attempting to repair the fragmented file to make sure that all of those pages of the book are properly put back together so that you can view those files. Once you've selected the files and clicked Recover, make sure that this option is enabled to maximize the chance of successful recovery. So I have those 2 same image files here that I recovered, and now we can see that they are full resolution. They're not like the little thumbnails that we saw when using PhotoRec, because those fragmented pieces were properly put back together. And all these files have reverted to their original file names instead of random codes. If you'd like to check out EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard for yourself, there will be a link down in the description below. Overall, the ability for EaseUS to repair fragmented files and do that smart sector rebuild can really make a big difference. If you have any questions or comments, please leave those down in the comment section. We'll get to them as quickly as possible.